Hey, I'm Mark. Welcome to the garage. Today we're going to go over rust maintenance on your vehicle. Use this information at your own risk. I assume no liability. I do a simple form of rust proofing about twice a year because I don't want rust to eat away at parts, panels, or seize up bolts. You can purchase rust-proof coatings from the factory, aftermarket, or even self-applied versions. But the problem is that if the coating is breached, rust can get between the coating and the part and spread from there. A few years ago, a reputable mechanic advised me that since I perform mainly self-maintenance on my vehicles, that I don't really need a coating. I should just hit it with this rust converter that you can get at any hardware store, because that's what he uses whenever he notices a rust area on a customer's car.
Make sure you're wearing goggles and a mask, because particles can constantly fly down into your eyes not wearing goggles. And this stuff, if you breathe enough of it, it's going to make you lightheaded. So goggles and a mask. And then just go ahead and spray all the rusted areas that you notice. Now in my case, I also use this on the paneling because my truck's already matte black. But typically, if you're a different color, you would just use it on the underbody. And it's just that easy. Thanks for watching.